Welcome back to the channel.
Where we are in Luxembourg, a brand new country for the both of us. We are staying in the not so easy to pronounce Kockelscheuer Campsite, which is 5 kilometres from the Luxembourg capital city, which makes it easy to cycle or get the free bus into the centre.
We travelled here from Amsterdam via Waterloo, so if you've not seen those episodes, check them out.
In this episode, we'll spend the day exploring the capital city and we'll spend a day on our bikes exploring the countryside.
We'll also show you around the campsite and tell you what we thought about it. Today we're getting the bus to Luxembourg City Centre. It's a free bus and it takes about half an hour.
Bus stop is just about a 5-minute walk from the campsite, so nice and easy. Bus number 80. Morning. It's quite an unusual experience getting on the bus and not paying.
Nice.
It's nice. All public transport in Luxembourg is free. It's fantastic, I think.
The stop we got off is the Himmelius stop. It's the city centre.
We were looking for the tourist office and we walked down this street, we walked down there, then we came back, went up there, but it seems it's down this little alleyway, and here it is. Just been into the tourist office and met a very helpful man, and he's given us the
Wenzel circular walk map,
which takes us around some really interesting parts of the city. I think it's going to take us between 2.5 and 3 hours. Behind me is the Grand Palace, and the monarchy of Luxembourg is a Grand Duchy, so not King and Queen. And the current monarch is the Crown Prince Henri, as in Henry in English, but I'm sure they must pronounce it Henri.
I'm not sure the royal family actually live here. There's only one guard and I can't imagine him stopping much. I could just climb up there.
I think I'm being followed by the guards. Is there something I've done wrong? No! This is the castle bridge in front of us. It was built in 1735, kind of built into the fortification, which is much older, hence it being called Castle Bridge, or Pont de Château, as the Luxembourgers like to call it. The building in front of us is called the Minster, so it's an abbey, a monastery. It's also been an orphanage, a prison, and a military hospital. Today it's a museum. Found a bit of shade for some water, a little bit of a rest, as it's quite warm today. This Wenzel Walk is a circular walk, and it is the must-do thing, I think, when you visit Luxembourg City. And when you get down to the old town level, you can tell that what they built was an old town within a valley, and using the rock face to evolve it into the town wall and the fortification to protect it. Luxembourg of today is built on 2 levels, with the old town down at this lower level in the valley with the river running through it, and then up the top is the much more modern city.
You wouldn't imagine you're in a capital city. So many trees and greenery, and so peaceful as well.
I'm not tall enough. I think we're coming to the end now. It's been a really good walk actually.
It's a lovely way to walk around the old town.
So the Wenzel Walk concludes with a lift ride to the top and back to the newer part of the city.
We had lunch in the Brazier de Circle, which is located in the main central square. We're having a Luxembourg speciality for lunch. I can't pronounce it, so we'll put it up on the screen. But it's smoked pork shoulder with broad beans and some potatoes. It's yummy.
And I'm having what I know as a German speciality. It's a bit like a pizza. It's called a Flammkuchen. And I've got bacon, onions and cheese on it. And from my experience, it's very nice. So we decided to have coffee at McDonald's, and this has got to be one of the nicest locations to sit and have a McDonald's coffee. We think this is it looks like a fire hydrant. I think it's just somewhere to get drinking water. So we're gonna go on the glass lift, which is part of the public transport network, so it's free to go on. There are so many pianos in this place.
The lift takes you down to the old town.
Yes, one of the old bridges dwarfed by the modern bridge above.
After a short wander, we got the lift back up.
We were surprised to discover this magnificent building is a retirement home.
Luxembourg has a population of 666,000 people. It is the lowest in the EU.
Luxembourg has 3 official languages, French, German and Luxembourgish. No, I didn't make that up, that is a real language.
Impressively, Luxembourg have won the Eurovision Song Contest 5 times. That's the same as the UK and France.
Luxembourg is the safest country in the EU.
A third of Luxembourg is covered in trees.
I've read that Luxembourg is the richest country in the world and has the highest minimum wage.
Luxembourg has 70 castles. After a lovely day out in the city, we got the bus back to the campsite.
It's our second full day in Luxembourg and we've decided to take a bike ride. We're going to head out to one of the near towns, which will be about a 30-minute cycle, and we'll stop and have lunch there and have a look around, and we'll share that with you. I'm hoping our route is going to be forest. That way we'll keep cool going to a place called Bettembourg. Sign down there says 8.7 kilometres. Downhill at last. The only thing with going downhill, you know, you're going to have to go uphill. Battling with Google Maps at the moment, trying to find the best way without going on the main road. The sign to Bettembourg seemed to have disappeared, so we weren't sure where to go. So we're making it up as we go along. So disappointingly we came to a dead end after that really long hill, so we're actually going to go back all up the hill. Gear 1 I think. Ah, nightmare. I can finally see Bettembourg in the distance. We've got 2.5 kilometres to go. Well, that was an epic ride. Took twice as long as expected. Even when we found the paths, or the cycle paths with the signs pointed to our destination, they then disappeared. And then the sat nav on Google
wanted to keep taking us different way.
Down the main road.
Yeah.
But we eventually fought it and found a route that took us to the woods and then out to the countryside. So it was a good cycle, challenging cycle. So
now we need food.
Yeah, we definitely need food. Lots of bikes up, hopefully secure. And now to explore the town. We finally got our lunch at this little bakery place, pastisserie I think it's called, and we've got a quiche which they heated up for us. It's got cheese and spinach by the looks nice, and we have an egg sandwich as well. So we're looking forward to this after our epic journey.
Yeah, we need the food.
That's got to be the weirdest thatched building I've ever seen in my life.
After a wander around the town, we had coffee and eclairs at the Fisher Bakery. This kind man helped me hang my bike up, but I think he may have regretted it. So we decided to get the train to Luxembourg City because it's so hot out there.
And you have to hang your bike up like that. That was the experience. Our first experience with a bike on a train, and it went quite well. And here we are, back in Luxembourg City.
We then cycled a 20-minute ride from the station back to the campsite.
Campsite reception, and there's also a shop. This is the facilities building for showering, toilets, washing up, disposing of urine even, and your supply of cold water. So this is where we are washing up, and Michelle's washing up.
Yeah, you get someone to wash up for you, don't you?
I am helping. I'm trying, but I'm filming at the moment. But if you do stay here, remember to bring your own bowl. This is the first place where we've had to bring our own bowl. There's no plugs here, but it seems quite neat and a clean place. And there's also a room in there with washing machines, and I suspect dryers. And there is a restaurant over there as well. Here are our final thoughts on the Luxembourg campsite.
Really very easy to get into Luxembourg City from the campsite. It's only a 5-minute walk to the bus stop and they go pretty regularly. The showers are really clean and good, there's plenty of them, and the washing up facilities are good. There's a restaurant on site as well, so you've got that option. The reception people were really friendly. There's so much space around your pitches as well, so plenty of room and friendly people. And now what we thought about Luxembourg City itself.
The city is very beautiful. It's quite a unique city with the 2 levels, the old town below and the new town up above. You only need about a day to explore it, but it's very much worth a visit. The other advantage you've got here, if you get a bus or you cycle into the city, you can get a train to other parts of Luxembourg free of charge. And so it helps you explore the city without taking your van out of the campsite. Overall, I think we've had a really good time here in Luxembourg.
Yeah, it's lovely.
And we had 3 nights, and I think for us that's enough before we head off to the next destination, which is Bettembourg in Germany.
So we'll see you in the next episode.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye.